Namaskar. Today's topic is machine design procedure. Learning outcome: understand design concept, understand the benefits of designing product, understand design procedure. What is meant by design? In actual practice, nothing is new. We are using existing resources to modify or creating something new. That is called as a design. You can see here one box and two wheels. By applying those wheels, we can move this box easily. Means already existing components are there. We should properly combine or synchronize those components. Benefits: sometimes design helps in increasing the price of product, or sometimes simplify things. Sometimes it helps in improving the performance. Also, ergonomics can be improved, profit can be increased, sale can be increased. Similarly, we can able to reduce cost, efforts, time required for any operation can be reduced. Then even environmental hazards can be reduced. If cost is reduced, efforts required are less, then definitely, and quality is good, then customer complaints will be reduced. For example, t-shirt printing, automobile design, jewelry design, home appliances design, furniture design, building design, aerospace design. Means all products can be designed. For example, t-shirt printing. Normal t-shirt can be purchased at 150 or 200 rupees, but if any slogan is right down there, printed there, or specific design is there, then definitely its price will be increased. Even jewelry design, means lot of complicated shapes can be designed. Automobile design, almost after every 2 months there are new models. Reflection point: can you relate the environmental hazard with design of new product? Pause the video and think on it. Write down your answer. Yes, environmental hazards can be reduced by redesigning the product. For example, electric vehicles. Previous vehicles are used either diesel or petrol, but those fossils fuels are limited and it also emits CO2. So it is necessary to redesign the vehicle which will use alternative resources. So nowadays electric vehicle business is booming. Now we will see the stepwise procedure for design. First, understand the requirements. Second, data collection. Third, specification. Fourth, conceptual design with alternative mechanisms. Fifth, selection of proper mechanism. Sixth, force analysis and material finalization. 7, finalizing parts sizes and assembly configurations. 8, finalizing manufacturing processes. 9 individual parts drawing with tolerances, 10 testing procedures, and 11 trial testing after manufacturing and modifications. We will see one by one. First, understand the requirements. We should know and find out the problem and understand the need for product, why this product is required. Second point is data collection. For this we can do the market survey. We can check existing similar products of competitors. We can check the limitation of those products, features of those products. Also sometimes standard parts are required, so we can collect the literature or catalogs of bearings, motors, gearboxes, gears, or any particular materials. Remember that this data collection is continuous process. At various stages we require different type of data. Then specification. We should narrow down the requirement. For this we require to do the feasibility study. Feasibility study in terms of commercial or financial as well as technical way. And after that we should do the finalization of specification of that product. Fourth stage is conceptual design with alternative mechanism. At least 4 to 5 different options should be prepared and compare their benefits and limitation. Fifth is selection of proper mechanism. It may be combination, and from that we can select the best solution. Again, we should know the limitation and benefits of this final solution. 6. Force analysis and material finalization. We should first consider or assume some loading, and according to those loading we should do the force analysis and further calculation, and from that material should be finalized. Remember that we should check that material should be locally available or easily available. 7th stage is finalizing part sizes and assembly configurations. Once calculation is done, we should select part sizes. Then we should know the joining methods. We should select whether we should going for welding, bolting, riveting. We should know the joining methods. From that we can prepare the assembly layout. Then we should finalize the manufacturing processes. Then 9th step is individual parts drawing with tolerances. Once sizes are finalized, manufacturing processes are finalizing, joining methods are finalizing, then we can prepare drawings, and tolerance should be given considering the motion and fits. It is important to write down the notes on those drawings. We should prepare testing procedure, and also expected outcome should be noted. Once parts are manufactured, then assemble it and trial testing should be done, and we should check result with expected outcomes. If difference is there, then we require to do the modification, and above steps should be repeated. Now it's time for assignment. We can take the example of our class bench. Here you should note down the expected feature of that class bench, advantages of redesigning it, then material and testing parameters. In this lecture, we studied design concept, benefit of design, and design procedure. If you have any query, you can ask me. Thank you.